Hello! So, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar. So, I just opened up my browser, which I use Chrome, and then I go to Google, and I just type in Google Scholar, comes up. You probably won't find it in this right here, but you will find it if you just type it in, and you click on it. And then you can search by articles or case laws. I'm going to search by articles today. And I know that my aunt was asking for articles about this, and you can see that I have already looked at some of them. So on this side, it will show you the articles. It will bring you to like the actual website. Right over here, it just shows you like if it's a PDF on the website or an HTML. You can also, let me see, you can also save them. So this star right here will save it to your library. I'm trying to see there's a way you can edit the searches as well. So you can also change it if you want to do case laws, but I'm going to go back to articles. Oh, I see it. So if you hit the sidebar and you go to advanced search, you can change them as well. So if you want the exact phrase or you want articles between these dates, say you need to find articles like that don't go past 2010, but I'm just going to keep it as this. So one of the really cool things also is that you can cite articles, this right here. So there's MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, and you can literally just copy and then hit Command C or left click if you have not a Mac, and you can literally just click on it. You don't even have to highlight the whole thing. So that's really awesome too. It cites it for you. So I'm going to click on one I've already clicked on, so this one, and it will bring me right to the actual article itself. This is a cool thing. I can hit this download as a PDF, and it will bring me to because this just shows me the abstract right here, but not all of them have this, but this website does. So I can bring it to, it'll bring me to the PDF, where if you have Google Chrome, you can hit this download button, and it will download it for you, or you can print it, or you can rotate it if it's another way for some reason. So that's really cool too. And then, oh God, look at me. That's really cool too, that history, if you accidentally log out like I did. So now it's going to take a hot second. Oh man. History. You can tell I was helping her out with this. We'll just go back to Google Scholar. Alright, I wrote discipline. Alright, so you really liked this article. There's for some reason all 8 versions, but you can also, so you can save it, right? If I save it, it will go into my library. You can also look at related articles. So this was about discipline of young children, and this is also about behavioral as well. My library, see, this is the one that I had starred. My profile, I think, is just, Molly, my dog just walked up to my legs. And that is Google Scholar. It's really easy to use, really simple, different settings, which is just basic, how many results do you want to see, and that is Google Scholar. Comment your questions down below and I will try to answer them.